In this video, I'll show you how to prioritize projects based on business goals, and I'll keep it simple, straight to the point, and actionable. By the end, you'll have a clear approach to choosing what matters most for your business. First, the key to prioritizing projects is aligning them with your business goals. You need to clearly understand your overarching objectives, whether it's increasing revenue, improving customer satisfaction, or expanding your market reach. Once you have those in place, you'll want to assess each project based on how much it contributes to achieving those goals. Next, rate each project on its potential impact. If a project will directly affect your business goal, it should move to the top of your list. For example, if your goal is to increase customer retention, projects that focus on customer experience improvements will be your highest priority. But you also need to consider feasibility. A project might have huge potential, but if you don't have the resources, budget, or expertise to pull it off, it could do more harm than good. Evaluate each project's resource requirements and timeline to determine if it's realistic. This is where most businesses fail. They push forward on big ideas without considering what it takes to execute. Then, prioritize based on urgency. Projects that are time-sensitive or have a deadline tied to them might need to be fast-tracked, especially if they are aligned with your key goals. A project that can be delayed without affecting your bottom line shouldn't take priority over one with tight deadlines or immediate benefits. Another tip is to focus on low-hanging fruit. Sometimes smaller projects that are easier to implement can give you quick wins while contributing to your goals. These quick wins are often great for momentum and motivation, especially if you're working with limited resources or time. Now, when you're looking at multiple projects with the same level of importance, consider the return on investment. What project will bring the most value for the effort and cost involved? A small project that provides a huge return may be more beneficial than a larger one that requires more work and resources. Lastly, remember to regularly reassess your priorities. Business goals evolve over time, and so should your projects. What was important last month might not be the priority today. Stay flexible and keep adjusting as needed. So, here's the key takeaway. Prioritizing projects based on your business goals is all about focusing on the ones that will drive the most impact, are feasible to execute, and align with your immediate needs. If you follow this process, you'll be able to cut through the noise and stay focused on what truly matters. To recap, 1. Align projects with your business goals. 2. Rate each project by potential impact. 3. Consider resource requirements and feasibility. 4. Factor in urgency and deadlines. 5. Don't forget low-hanging fruit and quick wins. 6. Evaluate return on investment. 7. Reassess your priorities regularly. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so take advantage of it to follow along with this process. Thanks for watching, and good luck prioritizing your projects.